Identification of bone. This is atlas, that is first cervical vertebra. At the most, examiner may ask you foramen transversorium. Look at my finger. We are studying atlas cervical vertebra. I have shown you in video how to identify the atlas cervical vertebra. Of course, what is the purpose of this video? The purpose of this video, that students should know various Viva pattern, VVP, various Viva patterns, especially in atlas. Of course, generally examiner gives you atlas and say, yes, start describing. Yes, this is the one pattern. Now, another pattern which is commonly followed, of course, any pattern can be asked. Another pattern which is commonly followed, that is identify the structure. Of course, you have to identify atlas as a vertebra and then describe foramina. So two foramina, of course, that is foramen transversorium, which I have shown you, that is commonly asked. So what passes through foramen transversorium? Vertebral artery, vertebral vein, and plexus of nerves. But main structure, vertebral artery, vertebral vein, vertebral artery and vertebral vein, and plexus of nerves. I'm repeating a bit slow. Foramen transversorium. That's I shown you that. So what is passing through foramen transversorium? That is vertebral artery and vertebral vein. Vertebral artery and vertebral vein. Now Viva may rarely proceed. Vertebral artery is a branch of which artery? See, I'm telling you how Viva proceeds. Vertebral artery is a branch of which artery? That you have to read. Now, most important, another foramen. Yes, I am making it large. That is vertebral foramen. It is unequal. Just remember this word. Now, you are describing the foramen. This is Viva. Viva is specific. Identify. Of course, you identified the vertebra. Now, one foramen you have identified. I have shown you in the bone, that is foramen transversorium, and second is simple. That is why I have not shown you in the bone, that is vertebral foramen, but you have to describe. Now here, in addition to showing the foramen, the description is most important. So what is in vertebral foramen? It is unequal parts. So anterior part is bit narrow and it contains odontoid process of axis. I'm repeating, what anterior part of atlas vertebral foramen contains? Yes, odontoid process of axis, odontoid process of axis, odontoid process of axis, odontoid process of axis. I'm repeating it for